Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. Let's take a look at LINKUSDT at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart and it's something very important going on this chart in my opinion, of course. So what is going on here? That series of very special candlesticks makes me wonder whether the situation is not changing in favor to the bearish part of the market, side of the market, right? I'm just wondering whether this big upper shadows today, yesterday, 2 days ago, and 4 and 5 days ago doesn't actually tell us something about the current situation of the market, which is actually rising. Obviously it is rising. Just take a look at this. If you want to take a look at the price range, you can take a look here. This is the low from the October 25th. There you go. So it's almost 2 months, and that's 240% rally. Apparently very well aware of this situation. However, if we just take a look at something different, we might see the potential pullback or correction is coming. The last big movement to the downside, the biggest correction, was minus 26%. It happened in the beginning of the December. So of course this movement to the downside is not actually 26% just yet, but that series or that candlestick series is just looking very interesting here. Roughly around 13% is here already, so it's like a half of the previous biggest correction to the downside on Link. So we do not have obviously the overbalance of price and time just yet. Nevertheless, please keep an eye on these candles, keep an eye on these patterns, because it looks like we might have something interesting cooking in the background here. Let me just take a look at the RSI as well. And the RSI is telling us very important thing. This important thing is that if we consider the situation where the market is making higher highs, let me just get my arrow, there you go. Market is making higher highs, fine, fair enough, we have the up trend. So we got higher highs. Nevertheless, the momentum doesn't actually do higher highs. Moreover, it does lower highs. So we got bearish divergence. The market is trending, obviously. Market is very emotional. Market is very driven by the emotional factors, not purely relying on the technical analysis, rational mathematical factors whatsoever. And that's why this kind of a situation might happen and might quickly be resolved to the favor of the bears. So we might have some sort of the pullback or some sort of the correction coming to this market very soon. Moreover, you can see that this is impulsive wave to the upside. This looks like the top for the wave 3, wave 4 correction, and the last wave 5 to the upside. More or less, it looks like the wave 5 has been completed at the level of 31 tethers, basically. So where is the target? Where is the target for bears? Eventually, if we will have movement to the downside, then we should most likely test this level here, 20.51. This is the ultimate target for the bears, and then some sort of the reversal and uptrend continuation should happen. If there is another breakout lower below the level of 20.51 and then below the level of 20, then of course we might say that temporary mid-term top on Link is in place, and the market will correct or will pull back even lower. Okay, so this is the level. Let me just place my arrow. This is the most important level here because it's a target level for correction for bears, and it cannot be violated. If it is, then the situation goes in favor of the bears. We will go lower. If it doesn't, break, but there will be some kind of a reversal. We might see again Link testing the level of 30 Tethers. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.